Hello, sweathearts. Welcome to your cool down stretch tutorial of Masterpiece by Jessie J. Let's get started. Now here's a little move we're going to see after this entire cool down. The arm is going to reach right, left, up, and pull down. So it's hit, hit, up, down. And at the very beginning of the song, we're going to start with a little boxing pose here. And we're just going to have a little rock side to side. Right, left, just like this. It's going to go pa, 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 ta, 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 ta. Now we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, up, down, pa, 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 pa. Hit, hit, up, down, ta, ta. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that face in the front. We're here, it's ready to start. And it starts on the 1. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Right, left, pull, down. Ta, 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 ta. Right, left, up, in. Pa, pa. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section is a little pull and throw. We're just going to do the feet first. It goes and hit, and hit. And front, and front. So it's just a little foot. Back, hit, back, hit. So the side goes ta, 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 ta. Now the hands are pull to the chest, and then reach up and throw down. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Pa, 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 ta, 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 ta. So we just finished 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go left, down, and right, down, pa, pa, ta, 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 forward, 8. Let's see that nice and slow face in the front. Our last one of our arms, we go right, left, up, down, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. One more set. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Great. Next section, we have a little wave arm. We're going to go to the right. We're going to use our left arm. We go 1, and 2, 3, and 4. It's going to come from the back. 3, and 4. Rock. And then we're going to go back to the left. Right arm. 5, and 6, 7, 8. You see the hand goes 1. It takes the wave into the other hand, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's see that face in the front. We just finish pa, 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 ta, ta, ta. 1, 2, 3. It's nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, hold, hold. 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right, next section we'll get into a little bit of a stretch and some pliés, and we're also going to bring back that motif right, left, up, down. So first we plie, take a deep breath, we go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, shoulder. We go right, 2, 3, 4, then elbow. 5, 6, 7, 8, then full arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, then we reach. Right, left, up, down, to repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right shoulder, left, elbow, elbow, arm, and side, side, up, and. Let's see that face in the front. We just came from 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shoulders go. 1, 2, 3. Elbows. 5, 6, 7. Arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit, hit, up, pull, repeats. Breathe out, inhale, and out, and shoulder, and elbow, and arm, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, right after that shoulder stretch and those repeat of that arm, we're gonna go into a little single, double chassé with heavy arms. We go down, down, up and over, ta, ta, down, down, up and over, down, down, up and over. One more, down, down, up and over. Here, we stop and we stretch out, and we're gonna take it over to the right side, reach it down, open up that right arm, long back leg, comes through, we're gonna walk it over the other side. We're gonna get our left lunge, open up that left arm, and then we come center, open up both knees, quick stretch here, and then we roll up, and we get ready one more time to go. Inhale, up, and down, and up, and down. We go, shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, elbows, 5, 6, 7, 8, reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats. I'll show it facing the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and shoulder, shoulder, elbow, elbow, reach, arm, arm, right, left, up, down. Repeat those heavy arms for the chasse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. Pop, 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 and over. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right now, we're going to go into one more stretch for our quads and balance. We're going to grab that right foot, find the balance, arms going to come up overhead, left arm up, open to second, lower down, drop the foot, and we have 4 arms here. We're just going to release them up as we play down. Breath, 2 more, last one, and then opposite side, grab the left foot this time, right arm comes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, open to second, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 arms with the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the front here, we're gonna get a little hip. Just hip side to side. And we're gonna go roll the hands up to the ceiling. Roll the hands down. And then we're gonna get into a little ballet first position. We're gonna do a little bow. We're gonna bring that right arm up, left arm up, right arm opens second, left arm, down, and down. Now in front of you, right arm in front, and left, next big circle here. We're gonna bring that right foot out, open up the right hand, and we're gonna take it up, and we're gonna have a nice bow to finish. I'll show that bow one time, a little faster, face to the front. So we came out of here for 4, and then 2, and we come up, rolling the wrists, shaking the hips out. First position, a little bit faster tempo. Right, left, open, open, down, down, in front, right foot, right arm comes down, rondage on that right leg, arm comes up, and we take a bow. And that's all the choreography for a cool down stretch to Masterpiece by Jessie J. Let's dance it.